weeds are taking over my garden. My beds along the driveway. So today's project is to clean this up a bit. So this is the first part of the project here. These make beautiful cut flowers, but I need to add some kind of support because once they start sending up the flowers, they will topple over because they're too top heavy. Well, this is going to take a while. Here's the before and here's the after, and I've done about 2 feet. Here's a view of the project from the other side. I got my little front area here to clean up, and then all of this. You can see my little teeny part that I've got cleaned out right there. So that shows you the scope of the project. In the process of weeding, I found some blueberries ready to pick, and this is my new blueberry bush, and these are huge. And then this is my second blueberry bush, and as you can see, they are much smaller. That's the other blueberry, and that's this one. And my third blueberry is also pretty small this year compared to the new one, but they'll all be good. Well, I managed to get up to the construction material. Miko's here keeping me company. So, not a bad little start. I think I'm gonna go work on the humps at the end of the driveway, since people see those first before I work on this other anymore. Work on clearing out these front humps. I have one on either side of my driveway, and with the proximity of my garden stand, I think I should probably work on this, because who wants to buy produce from somebody who has a trashy looking yard? The trick here is separating the good from the bad. So this is a Greek oregano, and those are some flowers I've planted. This is a nice red twig dogwood. I've got some succulents in here, and then I've got a bunch of weeds. So some of these are flowering bulbs, but at this point it just looks so trashy I may just rip it all out. Start over. Except for not the succulent, because he's pretty. So I'm one of these people that tends to see a space and say, ooh, I need to plant something there. And I'm just starting to realize that having some space between the plants actually accents the plants and makes the garden nicer. Because this looks so much better than that. Over here to my daffodils, they're done for the season, but I'm going to cut them off. I'm not going to rip them out because I want them to come up again next year. Well, I think I got most of the weeds out. Mulching is going to have to wait until tomorrow because I don't think my back will take any more today. But I need to cut that stump out. I was going to put a sundial on it, but it's too hard to get it level. So I'm just going to put a post in for that.